thank you. Lettuce.
I drink milk.
Here with Mr. CEO of AutoZone
Sheesh.
and CEO of SR20.
Sheesh.
Gang.
Damn.
Yeah, we gotta give credit to everyone.
Yo, Slim, give me a tour, Slim.
Shit, man.
Shit.
Alright, you want me to pop the hood?
Hell yeah, let's see that SR20 DETT.
Alright, so.
Sheesh.
For the man, alright, shit. Feel me, dude? Shit. Feel me? Alright. Oh shit, oh man, shit. Alright, man. So, you're looking at a 2.5 liter 2JZ, baby. Alright, you feel me, dude? But over here, we got the 2 turbos. 1, 2, 3. 2 turbos. Alright, man, shit. Bang, bitches. Alright, this thing got a tune. Not a good tune, it's a stock tune. But that, you know.
BMW performance right there.
BMW Bavarian.
Why do you have so much
Mango
goddamn
watermelons.
fucking...
You already
What the fuck? What the fuck? They couldn't have...
Max speeding rods.
Oh god.
$300 coilovers, baby. I probably will. For the $800 car.
I mean, is the cooling system intact?
Everything is brand new. The previous owner,
I will do it.
he couldn't figure out the overheating problem. It was just a clogged catalytic converter.
Why really?
So he put in a brand new radiator, water pump, everything. The whole cooling system has been redone.
Nice. You scored.
And he did a bunch of fucking maintenance to it. And
No, this thing fucks. Like, honestly, this thing's clean as shit.
got it for 800 beans.
That's fucking great. That's like, that's what I want to see. More of this, please.
Oh, thank you. Lettuce, very crunchy lettuce.
Go in there.
Prime time of year for it.
Sheesh. Show me the
The
interior.
interior's not the best, as you're about to see in 3, 2, 1.
What do you
And
mean?
it's got no headliner.
What?
you
You
know.
don't need a headliner. Hey,
36's interiors are absolutely.
it does not smell. It does not
the
smell.
best made,
It
but,
does not smell like crayons. This thing has been used.
Smells like horsepower.
Sheesh. You taking this to any full send me?
All the time, bro. Does it make my ass look big?
Yeah, send that to me.
Wait, hold on. No, don't. Stop. What are you doing? Olin! What the fuck?
That's it.
God damn it, Olin!
Maybe.
That's what I'm telling.
What the fuck?
Yeah, like. Oh, that's the fucking mark was ranting about? He's ass.
Damn, that motherfucker go to red line. Should we get in the race car?
He's actually gonna. But it's also has a limiter on the record.
Yeah. Race car. Ah, it's so fucking weird being.
Big cold.
Oh. And this is just rear-wheel drive? Oh wait, hold on, my door's open.
Yeah, you could have slammed it.
Oh my god, I hate slamming people's doors.
There you go.
Is it all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
And it's the RB20. This thing sounds fucking good.
It's cold, so I'm not beating on it.
Yeah, no, don't beat on it.
It doesn't ride bad.
Alright, it's pretty good.
It's not.
Nah, this thing's great. That's a good power level.
Yeah, it's not big.
It sounds good. It's nothing crazy. It's docile. Nah, this is-
Mostly.
And do you know what power this is making right now?
It dynoed at 320 on 15 PSI. It's at 18 now.
Jesus, this is just 320?
That was at 15 PSI.
I guess it's not as...
It's at 18 right now. 18 and a half.
I mean, like, no, like I guess, like, it's not as torquey as, like, I have, you know, my fucking VG, the turbo drift car that I have right now, but that thing, like, it'll fucking toss you in your seat, but it's not very fast.
Yeah.
Is it his turn?
Yeah.
Race.
It's a nice Maxima. There you go.
$2 Maxima? What a unicorn! Skyline. I doubt it. Jesus Christ! This is getting bad, Slim. Oh my God. Slim, why are you hosting the fucking full send meet, Slim?
Oh, bro, full send, no send, bro.